Remember this? This is the storm that shut down Rhode Island and Massachusetts for a week. We're talking about the blizzard of 78.
It got so bad the National Guard was activated to help. 100 people died in this storm. 12 News meteorologist TJ Del Santo spoke with people today who remember the storm vividly.
4.9 inches. That's all the snow we've gotten so far this winter. That's how much snow fell in 1 hour during the blizzard of 1978, and it continued to snow and snow and snow.
That is the worst I've ever seen.
It snowed heavily for nearly 2 days.
And I've been in New England all my life.
The whipping winds created whiteout conditions.
It would start sleeting and snowing across. There was no visibility whatsoever. Very cold, very windy.
28 inches of snow fell at the airport.
And the next morning when I woke up, my car was covered, all you saw was the antenna.
Nearly 3 feet in Providence, 3 to 4 feet in northern Rhode Island and into Massachusetts.
Somebody came back into the lab and said, hey, you guys, you got to get out of here. It's really snowing out there.
Norm Tripp was in Hudson, Massachusetts during the storm.
Good 3 feet. People had gotten stalled like on 128 and the major highways, and it just stopped it. They just walked away from their cars. They had to.
Nancy Howland was in West Warwick when the storm hit.
It took me like 3 hours to get home. I thought it would never stop. It was a relief when it finally stopped.
The snow lasted for 2 days, and it even snowed a little bit on the third day, too.
Bulldozers and trucks and moved the snow out that way.
Denise worked in Johnston and made it home to Providence safely.
Unbelievable. Everything was shut down. We couldn't get out of my driveway probably until the week after.
Harrowing tales from a long ago but never to be forgotten storm which people got through together.
People shared everything. People were out of food or out of this or out of that. People shared a lot of things, helped each other out.
Advances in weather technology during the past 45 years have allowed us to warn people ahead of time about the dangers of a storm like the blizzard of 1978 or even the extreme cold that we had just this past weekend. I'm TJ Del Santo, 12 News.